Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. Again, you can see it is clearly acting better than ETH. There's a low that is due here, 415 to right around 527. This is looking like a flag, and that says this old high at right around 74,000 plus is likely to be taken out on the upside. So still overall positive in Bitcoin here on the intermediate term and favoring higher prices. If we go ahead and shift over to the daily chart, there's a low that is due 425 to right around 516. Now, is this going to give one more test down? That's really the big question here. Right now, we aren't seeing any obvious violations in terms of price to indicate that a bottom is formed. If this moves through the 78.6 here at 71,901, then that would raise the odds that you've seen an intermediate term low form. Absent of that, this 38.2 to the 61.8, 65,596 to 69,279 is likely to be where this would fail in and give one more hit down going into this cycle low timing window, 425 to right around, again, 516 or so. On the downside, there's a zone here from 62,000 to 53.5. We are looking for it to hold that on the intermediate term and likely give an interesting long set opportunity here in Bitcoin.